Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook omega rice. First, let's prepare our rice. Take 1 cup of your chosen rice and rinse it thoroughly under cold, running water. Continue rinsing until the water is completely clear. This simple yet vital step washes away extra starch, which is key to achieving beautifully separate, fluffy grains instead of a sticky mess. It sets the foundation for perfectly cooked rice. Next, achieving the right water balance is essential. For every 1 cup of rinsed rice, you will need 2 cups of fresh water. Place your rice and water into a sturdy saucepan. For an extra touch of health and flavor, consider adding about 1 teaspoon of a healthy oil, such as coconut oil. Now, bring this mixture to a vigorous, rolling boil over medium-high heat on your stovetop. After the water reaches a full boil, it's time for gentle cooking. Immediately reduce your stovetop heat to the lowest possible setting. Place a tight-fitting lid on the saucepan and let the rice simmer undisturbed for precisely 20 minutes. It is very important not to lift the lid during this time. Once simmering is complete, remove the pan from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to fully absorb, ensuring tender, evenly cooked grains. Finally, it's time to reveal your perfectly cooked rice. Carefully remove the lid and, using a fork, gently fluff the rice. This action separates the individual grains, giving you that desirable light and airy texture. Remember to use a fork, not a spoon, to avoid crushing the delicate grains. Your delicious, fluffy omega rice is now ready to be served as a wonderful and versatile accompaniment to any meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.